Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to implement Admob rewarded video ads in your Android application using AIDE. So let's start. Here I have a project in AIDE which is basically a multiplication table project, and it gets the multiplication table of any number. So let me just show you how this project looks like. Here in this app you can write any number like 6 and get its multiplication table. Now let's add rewarded video ads in this. So for doing this, just go to this website, which is developers.google.com, and navigate to products, Admob, Admob for Android, and guide. This is guide for Admob for Android. Now copy this part which contains Maven libraries and add it to project level build.gradle. So in your Android application, navigate to project level build.gradle. This project level build.gradle is the outermost build.gradle. It is in the outermost folder. So here this is the folder which contains my application. Now when I open this, I see this build.gradle and settings.gradle. So open this build.gradle and this will be the project level build.gradle. In this, just after the J center, paste the library. Now after pasting this Maven library, save the project and it will get added to the project. Now next is app level build.gradle. In app level build.gradle, we have to add a dependency, play services ads. So navigate to app level build.gradle, which is in app folder. Go to this build.gradle. Here you will find dependencies. Now in order to add something to this dependency, just click on add to project and select play services ads. It will get added to the project. Now after adding play services ads to the project, save this and now navigate to Android manifest.xml. In Android manifest.xml, we have to add the permission of internet and access network state. So here write uses permission Android name equal to and in this write android.permission dot internet now copy this line and paste it in next line also, and here instead of internet write access network state. So now we have added these two permissions, internet and access network state, in Android manifest.xml. After this, save this file Now move to main activity.java. In main activity.java, we have to initialize mobile ads. So for initializing mobile ads, import mobile ads and paste it alongside other imports. Now copy this part which initializes mobile ads. So you have to copy this single line, mobile ads dot initialize this dot your app ID. Paste it in on create just after set content view. Now replace this your mobile app ID with your app ID. Now here I will be using this sample mobile app ID which is provided here. Paste it in place of your Admob app ID. Now after this, click on implement rewarded video here. And now in this space you will get rest of the codes which are to be implemented. Initially we have to import add request, mobile ads and rewarded video ad. So copy these 3 lines and paste it above right after mobile ads. Here you will see that this mobile ads is repeated. So remove this one line. Now next, add this part, private rewarded video ad, m rewarded video ad. Add this thing right after private, all other private declarations. Now from this code, copy these 2 lines which get instance of mobile ads and set rewarded video ad listener. So copy these 2 lines and paste them in on create right after mobile ads dot initialize. Here you will find that there is a project error, and now in order to correct this error, what we have to do is check this. Here you will see this contains main activity extends app compact activity implements rewarded video ad listener. So we have to write this thing implements rewarded video ad listener at the top in public class main activity extends activity. After this we have to write implements rewarded video add listener. Now after this here it is not resolved, so just delete some part and select it, then it will add this or import this to the library. So it will import com.google.android.gms.ads.reward and that will correct the error. Or you can directly write this here, import com.google.android.gms.ads.reward. And this is important, implements rewarded video ad listener. Now after this next is to request a rewarded video ad. So for this we have to use this single line load rewarded video ad. This will load the rewarded video ad. So we will load it in onCreate. This load rewarded video ad has to be defined after onCreate. So copy this code from private void load video rewarded ad, load rewarded video ad, and paste it just after closing the onCreate. So this is where the onCreate method ends, just before the activity ends. So after this paste this code private void load rewarded video ad. Now after this next is set up event notifications. So this is rewarded video ad listener and we have to copy this complete code which will be for ad listener. Copy this part and paste it just before closing the activity, means just before this last closing bracket. Paste this complete code. Now scroll down, you will find display and add. So copy this part if ad is loaded then it will display the ad, and paste it on button click. So just scroll above and wherever you have implemented set on click listener for the button, inside that public void on click, just after public void on click paste this code. So this means it will set an on click listener for the button, and when the button is clicked, if video is loaded then it will show the video. And after this for rest of the code which is inside button on click listener, you will see that you have There are several steps or codes which are inside this. So just cut this part which is in on click listener for button, and instead paste them in public void on rewarded. This is the first code in add listener. So here inside public void on rewarded, you will see this green color text reward the user. So right after this, paste the complete code which was inside on button click. Now if the video is not loaded, then you may like to implement this same thing. So just copy this part, and in this code, if m rewarded video ad is loaded, m rewarded video ad dot show, and after this write else, and inside these brackets write the complete code for on button click. So if ad is loaded, it will show the ad, and if it is not loaded, then it will perform the activities. And if ad is loaded after and it shows the ad, then after showing the ad, it will reward the user by performing all the activities of on button click. Now go back to this website. Here you will find few more codes on resume, on pause, and on destroy. Copy this part and paste it just before the last closing curly bracket, and that's all. Now let's save this and check the project. Now in this project, initially if we write something and get the table, you get the table. But once the ad is loaded, it displays on rewarded video ad loaded. And after this, suppose you write a number like 23 and click on this button, it will display the rewarded video. This is a pretty long video of 44 seconds, 43 seconds. So let's exit this. Since we closed it earlier, it has not rewarded. And after that, when we click it again, we get the table. So in this way, you can implement rewarded video ads in your mobile app I hope this was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.